Welcome back on AML Study by Suhail. So today our topic is as well second part of method of money laundering and today topic is non-bank financial institutions. So non-bank financial institutions or non-bank financial companies is a financial institution that does not have a full banking license or is not supervised by any national bank or international banking regulatory agencies. NBFC facilitate bank-related financial services such as investment, risk pooling, contractual saving, or market brokerage. This industry is working just like a financial institutions, but it's not regulated any bank. So that's why these are non-banking financial institutions. And first is the credit card industry. In the credit card industry is three party always involved. First one is credit card associations, then issuing banks, then acquiring bank. Like there is a different type of nowadays different type of credit card in the market. If I think so, everyone is familiar with these type of cards like American Express card, Mastercard, Visa card, like that. So once any user went for any shopping for buy anything, he's supposed to be given card and punch there, and there is a authority who will accept the card, and as well one is a acquiring bank who is acquired which process transaction for merchant who accept the credit card, right? So is the credit card also used for third party payment processes which is contract with issuing or acquiring bank to provide payments processing service to merchant and other business entities, typically initially transaction on behalf of merchant clients that do not have a direct relationship with the third party payment processor financial institutions. This industry also vulnerable for money laundering, but is not in the first stage of money laundering, that is placement, but it is also used in a second stage and third stage, that is layering and integration, and credit card industry as well vulnerable for a second stage of money laundering and a third stage of money laundering. Okay, there is I use word third party payment process in credit card industry. This is also a very interesting topic, and a third party payment process are generally bank customer that provide payment processing service to merchant and other business entities are often use their commercial bank accounts to conduct payment processing for their merchant client. Oftentimes they are not subject to any AML CFT required. Okay, they doing transaction on the behalf of their merchant. Third party payment process traditionally contracted with the US retailers merchant that had physical location in the United States in order to help collect monies owed by customers. These merchant transactions primarily include credit card payments, but also covered automated clearing house that and creating of depositing remotely created checks and demand draft. I very well explained in previous video what is the auto clearing house, and I explained with the example previous videos. If you want, you can check my last video. So third party payment processes that provide service to telemarket, gambling, like online and casino, online gaming, gambling, different internet merchant, and process RCCs for these entities may present a higher level of risk of financial institution, as these type of business carry a high risk for consumer fraud and money laundering because there is no check and balance. And if you take any card, you can process it, and many scams also happened in the market, and they also challengeable for regulatory bodies to how to stop these scams as well, how to stop these illegal activities. So next industry is money services businesses. Nowadays, this is also one of the play big role in the economy. Money services businesses. Money services businesses are money or value transfer services are defined by fact of transmits or converts currencies. Transmits and converts money. Such business usually provide currency exchange, money transmissions, check cashing, and money order services. Dealer in foreign exchange. Yes, if you want to exchange your money, you can go any money services businesses, any exchange house. You can exchange your money from one currency to another currency. Check cash, you can as well cashing your check. Issuer of traveler check or money orders. Money services business as well provide these product. Money transmitters, if you want to send like a remittance, home remittance, commercial remittance, the money services business as well provide these facilities. Provide and sell a prepaid access. Prepaid access like open prepaid cards, close loop prepaid cards. There is two type of actually cards: open loop, prepaid, closed loop. Open loop is you can use for multiple things for a specific card, but closed loop is you need only like you can only buy for specific products, whichever these issuance of the authority, like in the start once you go for buy loop, like closed loop prepaid card, they will mention that you can only buy these things through this card. So they are offering limited things. US Postal Service are also offered by money services businesses. So next industry is insurance companies. The insurance industry provides a risk transfer saving or a investment product to a variety of consumer worldwide, ranging from individual to large corporate or governments. An important aspect of the way the insurance industry operate is that most of the business conducted by insurance companies is transmitted through intermediaries and such as agents, independent brokers, insurers with some expectations are subject to AML requirement. The susceptibility of the insurance industry to money laundering is not as high in comparison to other type of financial institution. Yes, but it is also vulnerable for money law. So what is the vulnerable in insurance companies? Like they are lack of oversight and control over intermediaries, because insurance company hire different intermediaries who is in the direct contact with the customers, like agents. So there is lack of oversight and control over the customers. Decentralized oversight over aspect of a sale force. Sale driven objective, like if you hire the agents, they just want to collect maximum premium, they want maximum customers, whatever the they don't concern the about AML, CFT rules, policies. They just want to collect maximum premium, and they want to earn their commission. That's why this is a due to sale driven objective. This is a vulnerability for money laundering. What is the red flag in you can say money laundering? Use cash or cash equivalent to purchase insurance product. If you buy the product, my insurance with one shot, even then the money insurance company is not asking you the source of income and these type of questions, KYC questions. So this one as well vulnerable for money laundering and red flag. Maybe there is some person will collect the money from drug trafficking, bribe and other illegal activities. So if any person came and want to buy your insurance product with one shot, you supposed to be focus on it. Maybe this one is take money from illegal resources. This is red flag. Purchase an insurance product with a single premium. lump sum payment, as well I explained it very well. Borrow money against an insurance product value. Next industry is securities broker dealers. Securities industry provide opportunity for criminal to engage in money laundering and terrorist financing anonymously. Please keep it in mind, anonymously. If you want to buy the securities, there may be some person who have very like a famous person in the market, but he just send another unknown person and he will buy the securities anonymously. Given the variety of level of AML program requirement in different types of business and the high value of volume of transaction, the world capital market are vast in the size drawing deposit banking. According to World Bank in 2015, the market capitalization of listed companies along total over US 61.7 trillion. Look, there is a huge part of market this is industries capturing. So as well, they are not much focused rules, policies, implementation in this industry. So money launderer mostly focus on this industry. The difficulty in the dealing with laundering in the securities field is that little currency involved. It is an industry that runs by electronic transfer and papers. It used in a money laundering process to generally after launderer have placed their cash in the financial system through their other method. Yes, this is also used in second stage and third stage of money laundering, because this industry most of 90% in rely on electronics. So you need to just electronically given transfer and they will given you securities check, whatever there is back end there is paperwork. Money laundering can occur in the securities industry in customer accounts that are used only to hold fund and not for trading. This allow launderers to avoid banking channel where the launderer may believe there are more stringent money laundering control. There is one very interesting concept here: vast trading. A vast trade is a form of market manipulation in which an investor simultaneously sell and buy the same financial instrument to create misleading artificial activity in the marketplace. First, an investor will place a sell order, then place a buy order to buy from him or herself, or vice versa. Other indications of money laundering were vast trading or offsetting transactions. They involves the entry of matching buy and sell in particular securities, which creates the illusion of trading. Vast trading through multiple accounts generate offsetting profit and loss and transfers of a position between accounts that do not appear to be commonly controlled. So these are increase the exposure of money laundering. It is international nature, securities, speed of transaction, easy of conversion. If you want to convert to cash, you easily can go and you can convert these securities into cash. Routine use of wire transfer, competitive, commission driven, disregard the source of funds. Like nominees or trustees are also involved in this type of securities. Concealment of identity, yes, because you can if you want to, you have a money, illegal money, if you want to buy, you can send your agent and he can buy on behalf of you. So this is also concealment of identity. 2019 Fat of Money Laundering and Terrorist Financing in Securities Sector Typology report identified the following area are as presenting the greatest money laundering vulnerability. Like whole market, you can buy bulk in shape of bulk. You can put whatever. There is no limit of money. You can put whatever you have. You can put. You can buy whole product. There is no limitation. There is no threshold. There is another like that. So this is whole market, and there is a numbers of transaction in daily basis. So you can easily hide your identity. wealth management. This is also providing a facility of wealth management. Bearer securities as well, one of the big vulnerability. Bill of exchange also use unregulated funds because investment fund also involves here. Today it's done because today's topic is a little short. So thank you very much. I will be back with soon with another video. And in the end, I just want to thank everyone who is given very kind comments as well appreciations, and somebody is send me personal text for appreciation. Everyone, I will say thank you so much for watching, appreciation, everything. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more interesting and knowledgeable videos. I